Factor out the GCF, 6x squared plus 9x minus 3. I'm going to rewrite this polynomial below. And now we can look for the greatest common factor. But this time there are 3 different terms, so we have to see what all 3 of them are divisible by. If you look at the coefficients, 6, 9, and negative 3, all of those are multiples of 3, so we know that the GCF is going to contain a 3. If we look at the variables, you might see that the first 2 terms are divisible by x, but the last term is a constant term. It doesn't have an x in it, and so the GCF won't contain an x either. That means that the greatest common factor in this problem is just the number 3. When we pull out the 3, we're going to be left over with some terms in each of these. If we look at 6x squared, if we pull out a 3 or divide by 3, that's going to leave us with 2x squared. Then plus, if we look at 9x and we pull out a 3, that leaves us with 3x. And then minus, if we have 3 and we pull out a 3, that leaves us with 1. And that's something that some students don't see. When we're pulling out the GCF and seeing what's left over, we're dividing by the GCF. So here, 6x squared divided by 3 is what gives us 2x squared. 9x divided by 3 gives us 3x. And if we have this negative 3 and divide it by 3, that ends up giving us negative 1. So we do need that last term there in the leftovers for everything to work out. That means that our final answer is 3 times the quantity 2x squared plus 3x minus 1.